Global oil benchmark Brent crude has plunged to its lowest level in 18 years and US crude has slipped to below $20 per barrel. The dual shocks of the price war and the demand slump due to coronavirus pandemic has kept oil prices under pressure. So is this a bottom, or could we see oil prices slipping even further from here? While investors may be hoping for a bounce back from these floor low prices, experts believe prices could be slipping even further given that there is no relief in sight on either of these accounts. There are fears that global shutdown could last months and demand for fuel could decline even further. Goldman Sachs report suggested that demand from commuters and from airlines, which accounts for about 16 million barrels per day of global consumption, may not return to previous levels anytime soon. Besides the demand shock, the oil market is under pressure from a price war between Saudi Arabia and Russia after the collapse earlier this month of a 3-year deal to limit the supply between the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries and also the other producers. Now, despite the pain of oil price crash, neither Saudi Arabia nor Russia seem to be ready to back down on their plan to boost production and flood the market. The growing supply glut in oil markets could end up filling all storage tanks worldwide, both on land and offshore, causing an overflow. The glut is causing traders to offer their cargoes at steep discounts in a desperate effort to find buyers. The price of oil is now so low that it is becoming unprofitable for many oil firms to remain active and also may force production shutdowns. The scenario even threatens to bankrupt US shale oil companies, as Saudi Arabia has the lowest cost of oil production at $3 to $5 per barrel. Russia also has a cushion given that the onshore production costs are about $16–18 per barrel, and in comparison a typical US shale well requires oil to be at $68 to post the returns. US on one hand is pressurizing Saudi to reach compromise with Russia, and on the other hand US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin have agreed to have energy officials from both the countries discuss the dire state of the global oil market. But will there be compromise, and how soon will that really happen is a question we don't have answers to right now. Research firm Rystad Energy has also reported that this is not the worst of the price rout yet, as the market will soon come to realize that it may be facing one of the largest supply surpluses in modern oil market history in April. And this could lead to prices sliding as low as $10 per barrel.